avocado is almost mine. Just gotta get the rest of this, you know, avocado off of this little whatever thing in the middle. It drives me crazy because it gets all over my
Julie, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, this is getting in my way. I'm just trying to eat an avocado.
I see. Can I help you?
Oh yeah, yes, please.
Let me show you an easier way to pit the avocado.
Oh, okay.
And get to this point a little tidier.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Okay, we are going to cut the avocado down to the pit, and then we're going to rotate the knife around the pit. Going to open it up. Ta-da!
Wow.
That's what we got. To get the pit out, we're just going to give it a little whack, give it a little turn.
That was so easy.
Knock it on that bowl. And then if you want little dices, you can make little dices in here.
Wow.
Like that. And just scoop it out with a spoon. Or if you want slices, you can make little slices and scoop it out with a spoon.
Wow. This changes my avocado eating world. Oh, I'm so happy.